Okay, I welcome all of you to this tutorial where we are going to draw a certain object using some other AutoCAD commands that we had earlier interacted with. So it's very vital that you pay attention as we move on. So in this we shall have to first of all make sure that the active which is in southeast isometric. Then we have to avoid interruption. We have to move this. So we shall have to create a box. It will be of dimensions 60 by 200. Our height is 12. So we try to compress such that we can view the entire object. So we again have to move this in order to avoid interruption as we are drawing. So here we are going to draw a circle from this edge, and its center should be 20 millimeters from this edge. So how do we do that? We first draw the line that will be 20 millimeters from this edge. So in this we go here, copy edges, then enter, and then we want it to be, so we can direct, and it should be 20 as I've already said. So you can see the line. So what we do now, we have to draw the circle, which is also diameter 20. So but as you see, because you're supposed to put it at the midpoint, so you have to make sure that we activate the object snap. So we're interested in the midpoint. I think also the endpoints must be activated. So we come here, I think you can see now. So our diameter, I've already said 20, and then you have to create the same circle at the same distance from the other edge. So this one is simpler. Since we have already this, we shall have to mirror it. So you can select, then you go to mirror. So 3 points. Let me select 3 points. The first one, since it should be this side, it means the first one is here, second one. So we specify the third one, because we do not want to delete. So here I'm going to erase this line. Erase. So that is it. Here what we are interested in, we shall have to first of all select the face where we shall put our object that we shall create, because we are going to create another object which we shall put at this face. So we accept, and then we have to move this so that we can avoid interruption. So just try to move this object a little bit, so we can create the object from here, which we shall put at the face here. Yes, so it should be, the line should be 20, its length should be 20, not 20 actually, it should be 120. Sorry for that. You can delete. It should be 120, and then get a line which will be its length be 44. Then you can draw a circle, which one will be the diameter of 60. Then shall have the inner circle of diameter 30. So then I think it's also now important that we erase this line, because it was just specific to guide us where we can put our circles. So from here we shall have to draw the tangent, but you have to make sure that come and check here on the snap, and make sure that tangent is activated. So you come here, you can see this, the icon of the tangent, and you also come here, that is the one. So now you go to, shall have to, the extrusion height here is 12, and again here it is 16, 15 actually. You can also use 16 depending on your choice. As I told you earlier, we're supposed to copy the entire object to this face, at the midpoint of this face, and then we have to group it as one. So here you come to union, you select the objects that you are interested in, then you press enter. So here now, as you can see, it's now 1. So what you do, you go to copy, you shall have to copy it. So that is the, because it is the midpoint, so you shall have to transfer it to here. I think it's also the midpoint you have already seen. So that is it. So in this case, we shall have to mirror this such that we have another object this side. Okay, so what we do after selecting it, we come here to mirror. I think 3 points, yes. Come here and you tap it on it. So the first point, of course the midpoint, because we want it to be pasted this side. So midpoint, so the second point, and the third point. We don't want to delete the source object, so that is the one. So here what we can do, we are going to fillet. So we select, our radius is 10, fillet radius. So we are going to select another edge. Of course, so we come here and we select and enter. So again, we do it on this object also. So fillet. So we select, the radius again is 10. So we have to make sure to do it also this side. So enter. So as you can see, that is it, but then we are no longer interested in this, which we are going to delete. So we shall have to also do something finally as we sum up with this. So what we do is that we come here, so we select the object, as you can see, but we are going to do this to do the extrusion of multiple objects. So you come here and you click on the multiple, then on the another object that you wish to extrude. So you press enter, and then our height extrusion is 12, or extrusion height. And now as you can see, this is something that you wanted to draw. Thank you.